A little bit of love goes a pretty long way. Take a look at where you started from.